Are you feeling discomfort in your joints, stiffness in your knees, or weakness in your legs? What if I told you that a simple cup of yogurt could be a game changer for your arthritis and leg strength? Would that surprise you? Today, we're going to explore 4 powerful types of yogurt that are not only delicious and smooth, but have also been proven to reduce inflammation, improve joint health, and naturally enhance leg strength. This isn't another passing health trend, far from it. These yogurts are loaded with nutrients and probiotics, and they're being recommended by doctors and nutrition experts to individuals over 50 who want to stay active without pain. You're in the right place if you're ready to boost your mobility, feel stronger, and fight arthritis effectively. And if you're a senior who cares about your health, make sure to subscribe to this channel. Each week, we share practical, natural health tips to help you live a longer, healthier, and stronger life. Stay with us until the very end because the last yogurt on this list is one you've probably never heard of, and it might soon become your favorite daily habit. Let's dive in. Greek yogurt, the most well-known variety, is a protein-rich powerhouse your joints will love. Let's start by talking about Greek yogurt, one of the most underappreciated superfoods hiding in plain sight. You might think of yogurt as just a light snack. However, Greek yogurt is an entirely different story. Compared to traditional yogurt, this thick and creamy version contains nearly double the protein. That's more significant than you might imagine, especially for people over 50. Why? Because as we age, we naturally lose muscle mass, particularly in the legs and hips, which are vital for balance, walking, and preventing falls. Protein is essential for rebuilding muscle. By eating Greek yogurt, which packs up to 20 grams of high-quality protein per cup, you're giving your legs the fuel they need to stay strong and flexible. But that's not all. Greek yogurt is also a fantastic source of calcium, vitamin D, and healthy probiotics. These probiotics reduce inflammation from within, especially in the joints. In fact, studies have shown that probiotics can influence immune function and lower C-reactive protein levels, a key marker of inflammation in arthritis sufferers. This means Greek yogurt not only nourishes your muscles, but also fights inflammation at its root. And here's the best part, it's incredibly versatile. You can add it to smoothies, replace sour cream, or simply enjoy it plain with berries or nuts. It's simple, affordable, and highly effective. But Greek yogurt is just the beginning. The next yogurt on our list includes a hidden ingredient that takes joint support to an entirely different level, something most people don't talk about. Yogurt number 2, infused with turmeric, is nature's missing anti-inflammatory powerhouse. Let's discuss a yogurt that offers medicinal benefits along with nutrition. This second yogurt isn't your average dairy product. It's blended with turmeric. This simple combination has been quietly gaining attention among researchers and health professionals for its strong anti-inflammatory benefits. Here's why. One of the most studied natural anti-inflammatory compounds worldwide is curcumin found in turmeric. Multiple studies have shown that curcumin can ease joint pain, improve mobility, and even slow arthritis progression, particularly in adults over 50. But there's a small challenge. Curcumin isn't easily absorbed by the body. This is where yogurt comes in handy. Since curcumin is fat-soluble and requires healthy fats to unlock its effects, mixing turmeric with full-fat yogurt significantly boosts absorption and effectiveness. Plus, yogurt's natural probiotics help balance gut bacteria, an important factor in chronic inflammation and autoimmune issues like rheumatoid arthritis. When you combine turmeric with yogurt and add a pinch of black pepper for better absorption, you get a tasty, soothing snack that works with your body, not against it. You can enjoy it sweet or savory. Some people add honey and cinnamon, while others use it as a dip or salad dressing. It's easy to make at home and often works better than many over-the-counter anti-inflammatory drugs without side effects. So if you wake up with stiff knees or swollen joints, this golden blend might become your new go-to ritual. However, here's the catch. While turmeric yogurt is highly effective, it doesn't provide one specific nutrient your joints need to stay lubricated and pain-free. That's exactly what we find in the third yogurt, something most people completely overlook. Yogurt number 3 is an omega-3 enriched variety, a joint lubricant your knees have been waiting for. If you've been dealing with constant stiffness, grinding joints, or creaky knees, you're not alone. This third yogurt might be exactly what your body has been craving. Meet the omega-3 fortified yogurt, an emerging star in functional nutrition. This creamy, nutrient-rich cup offers targeted support for joint health. Unlike ordinary yogurt, this version is fortified with omega-3 fatty acids. Salmon, flaxseed, and walnuts all contain fats that are beneficial for heart health. But why are they important for arthritis and leg strength? Let's break it down carefully. Research has shown that omega-3 fatty acids, especially EPA and DHA, can ease joint stiffness, reduce swelling, and even slow cartilage deterioration, a daily battle for countless people living with osteoarthritis and rheumatoid arthritis. These essential fats act at the cellular level, decreasing inflammation in your joints and increasing the production of synovial fluid, the body's natural lubricant that allows your knees and hips to move smoothly without friction. When combined with the probiotics and calcium found in yogurt, you get a twofold advantage. Probiotics support gut health, which is closely tied to inflammation and immune balance. Omega-3 fatty acids, in contrast, tackle inflammation throughout the body. The result? Less pain, easier movement, and improved strength in your legs and joints. All this can come from a snack that fits right in your hand. Nowadays, many health-oriented brands offer dairy products fortified with omega-3s. Still, you can easily make your own. Simply mix a tablespoon of ground flaxseed, chia seeds, or omega-3 fish oil into a cup of good quality yogurt. Just make sure the oil doesn't affect the taste, or choose plant-based options if you prefer a vegetarian-friendly source of omega-3s. It's simple, it's affordable, and it can significantly change how your joints feel each morning. But here's where it gets fascinating. Even with all these protein-packed, anti-inflammatory omega-3 yogurts, there's still one that stands out for something truly remarkable. Inside it lies a rare nutrient that helps rebuild connective tissue itself. And surprisingly, very few people are talking about it. The fourth variety is collagen-enriched yogurt, often called the youth elixir for your joints. If you've followed along this far in our journey through healing yogurts, congratulations, because what you're about to learn could be life-changing, not just for your taste buds, but for your knees, back, hands, and every aching joint in your body. Welcome to the fourth yogurt, collagen-boosting yogurt. This isn't just another trendy superfood or a label to glance at in the dairy aisle. It's a true ally in the fight against aging, stiffness, and degenerative joint problems. If inflammation is the fire and poor nutrition is the fuel, collagen yogurt is the water that helps extinguish the flames while rebuilding what time has slowly worn down. Let's take a moment for a real story. A 67-year-old retired teacher named Margaret from Ohio suffered from years of knee stiffness and morning pain. She could barely walk down the stairs without clutching the railing. Her doctor suggested expensive supplements, but she wanted something natural. So she began making her own collagen-enriched yogurt at home every morning. Greek yogurt mixed with unflavored collagen powder, berries, and seeds. Within 2 months, Margaret noticed something miraculous. Her joints felt looser, she could walk farther, and she even returned to her morning walks at the park. She later said, "I realized healing isn't about age, it's about consistency." Stories like hers prove that small daily habits can bring massive changes over time. Now let's take a moment to see the full picture. The bones that form our joints are not the only structures responsible for movement. Our joints also depend on connective tissues. In fact, these tissues are what truly determine the health of your joints, not the bones themselves. We're talking about cartilage, ligaments, tendons, and the collagen network that ties all these parts together while providing strength and flexibility. These elements also act as shock absorbers and reduce friction. And what's the key element they all need to stay strong, flexible, and pain-free? Collagen, a fibrous protein that forms the framework of our entire musculoskeletal system. Simply put, it's what holds us together. Now comes the crucial point. Your natural collagen production begins to drop as early as your mid-20s. By the time you reach your 50s or 60s, your body produces far less collagen than before. Before we move on, I'd love to know where you're watching from today. Leave a comment below and share any questions you may have. Also, don't forget to hit subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss the best health content from this channel. This isn't just a cosmetic issue reflected in wrinkles or sagging skin. It's a structural change that impacts mobility, posture, and recovery from daily activity. Most importantly, it affects the level of pain you experience. Without enough collagen, your cartilage starts to wear thin. Your joints lose cushioning, become irritated, and are more prone to injury as time passes. Add a few decades of daily stress and possible arthritis, and suddenly your body starts creaking like an old staircase. This is where collagen-enhanced yogurt truly shines. These yogurts are specially formulated with nutrients that promote collagen synthesis within your body. Unlike regular yogurts, which may help with probiotics or calcium, but little for connective tissue, collagen yogurts are intentionally fortified to repair and strengthen. Think of it as giving your cells the raw materials they need to rebuild your joints from within. No magic potions or artificial additives, just targeted natural nutrients that prompt your body to return to what it once did best, building and restoring effortlessly. Let's dive into the details. The first nutrient to look for in a yogurt formulated to enhance collagen synthesis is vitamin C. It is an absolutely vital component in the body's ability to produce collagen efficiently. Without sufficient vitamin C intake, your system cannot properly generate new collagen. During the process of forming the triple helix structure of collagen protein, this vitamin acts like a molecular connector, helping amino acids link together to form the correct shape. It also serves as a powerful antioxidant, protecting existing collagen from breaking down too quickly due to inflammation or oxidative stress. The good news? Pairing yogurt with fruits rich in vitamin C like strawberries, blueberries, kiwi, and pineapple is the ideal combination. So if the goal is to rejuvenate your joints, vitamin C becomes indispensable, whether blended into the yogurt or added as a topping. Now let's move to zinc. This trace mineral, often underestimated, plays a crucial role in collagen formation and in maintaining immune health. It helps activate enzymes that support efficient collagen production, while also assisting in the repair and regeneration of tissues and cells within the joints. When yogurt is paired with zinc-rich ingredients such as pumpkin seeds, chia seeds, or hemp hearts, the result is a strong nutritional blend that promotes structural recovery. In fact, insufficient zinc levels are associated with delayed wound healing and weaker collagen fibers, exactly what you want to avoid when recovering from joint pain or degeneration. Next come the amino acids, including glycine, proline, and hydroxyproline, among others. These are the true structural units of collagen, and anyone aiming to rebuild cartilage, ligaments, or tendons needs them in abundance. Although your body can naturally make small amounts, their levels can diminish over time due to factors like stress, poor diet, inflammation, and aging. That's why supplementation becomes more valuable as the years pass. Many modern yogurt brands now include hydrolyzed collagen or collagen peptides in their formulas. These forms are already broken down into smaller, more absorbable molecules, allowing your digestive system to process and utilize them more effectively. The difference is clear. It's not merely about hoping your body has what it needs, it's about directly supplying it with the raw materials in an immediately usable form. And here's where things get exciting. Making your own collagen-boosting yogurt at home is far easier than you might imagine. Start with a plain, high-quality Greek yogurt, the ideal choice with 15 to 20 grams of protein per serving, since its naturally high protein content and thicker texture make it the perfect base. Next, add a scoop of unflavored collagen powder, easily found online or in health stores. This alone provides a significant dose of bioavailable collagen peptides. Then include half a cup of berries for that essential vitamin C boost, and sprinkle in a tablespoon of pumpkin or sunflower seeds to introduce some texture and extra zinc. Want an additional anti-inflammatory edge? A pinch of turmeric and black pepper can elevate it even further. The final result is a nutrient-dense superfood that's not only flavorful but also offers molecular-level nourishment for your joints. It's creamy, tangy, slightly sweet, and full of collagen. It's important to emphasize that this isn't just another passing wellness trend. A growing body of scientific evidence supports the benefits of collagen supplementation. Collagen peptides have been shown to reduce joint pain, enhance mobility in individuals with osteoarthritis, and even increase cartilage thickness in certain studies. In one notable clinical trial, participants experienced significant improvements in joint comfort and flexibility after taking daily collagen supplements for 12 weeks. These benefits were especially evident in weight-bearing joints like the knees and hips. This demonstrates that the goal isn't only to feel better, it's to move better, bend more easily, stand longer, and walk farther. But the advantages of collagen don't end with joint health. Remember, collagen is also the most abundant protein in your skin, hair, and nails. So while you're nourishing cartilage and ligaments, you're also firming your skin, reducing wrinkles, and strengthening your hair follicles. It's almost like pressing the rewind button on the aging process inside and out. The ripple effects extend throughout the body. Improved posture from stronger connective tissue, better digestion thanks to glycine's gut healing properties, and enhanced blood circulation due to healthier blood vessels. This is what it truly means to nourish your whole body. And it all starts with just one scoop of the right yogurt. The collagen-boosting potential of yogurt doesn't work alone. It's most effective when paired with other joint-supportive habits, such as incorporating omega-3 fatty acids to reduce inflammation, maintaining sufficient protein to preserve muscle, and consuming probiotics to heal the gut. Each of the yogurt types discussed earlier lays the foundation for these benefits. Anti-inflammatory yogurt helps soothe the body. Protein-rich yogurt strengthens the muscles supporting the joints. Yogurt enhanced with omega-3s acts as a cushion and lubricant. And now collagen-boosting yogurt completes the puzzle by giving your body the tools to restore what's been damaged. These are the long-term results worth striving for, true structural regeneration. Through this method, you can transform your joint health from within rather than just managing the symptoms of pain. The best part? It's completely accessible. This isn't an expensive supplement or an experimental therapy. You can buy it at your local grocery store or create it easily in your own kitchen. Healing becomes something tangible, right in your hands, even on your spoon. So remember this, the next time your knees ache while climbing stairs, your hips feel stiff getting out of bed, or your hands hurt after gardening, relief doesn't always come from removing something. It often comes from restoring what your body truly needs. Collagen-boosting yogurt does exactly that. It not only soothes but rebuilds. It not only comforts but revitalizes. And beyond satisfying your hunger, it strengthens you from within. You're not just eating, you're healing. When your food is packed with collagen, omega-3s, probiotics, and protein, you're giving your body the tools to reduce pain, ease stiffness, and rebuild strength from the inside out. Consistency is what makes the difference. And if you like this video, then please like, share, and subscribe to my channel, The Senior Hub, and help others live healthier, stronger, and happier lives every day.